Hello mga tao, ako si Noel, isa akong guro. Pero ngayon, isa na akong guro dito sa Japan. Hitting rock bottom gave me the push to dig my way up. 2023 is the most challenging year na hinarap ko. Growing up, nangarap ako ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa buhay ko. We all have our goals. And true enough, with the goals in my life as my motivation, nag-aral akong mabuti dahil alam ko na ang diploma ko ang susi para matupad ko lahat ng pangarap ko. I am now 30 years old. Sa professional journey ko, nabigyan ako ng trabahong malapit sa puso ko. Isa akong guro. In 2015, I was hired sa isang international school. Yung environment sa school ko with foreign students made me want to see the world even more so than I dreamt of it nung bata pa ako. After 3 years, nag-decide na akong umuwi. I work as a DepEd teacher. My job paid well. It paid better than other jobs and I am thankful to have it. It gave me emotional fulfillment na makakita ng mga batang natututo. But apart from that, my work gave me financial freedom. Until wrong decisions were made, failed business ventures, wanting to provide for everyone, unwise decision making. I regret most of it, but I am thankful they happened. Yung hirap na naranasan ko made me realize na baka meron pang mas maganda para sa akin. The struggle we had worsened as 2023 neared its end. But God imposed upon me na hindi niya ako pinapahirapan. Instead, He is preparing me for something greater than I could have ever imagined. I did not turn my pain into hatred. I turned it into a lesson. Tinuro ni God kung paano ko dapat hanapin ang daan ko pataas kung saan ako nakabaon. Magsimula ka kung saan ka nadapa. Tingnan mo ang mga bagay ng may pag-asa. Everything that happened in 2023 fueled me to take a leap of faith. At ito na tayo, sabi nga, when the time is right, God will make it happen. Mag-uumpisa ako ulit. Mag-uumpisa kami ulit. God prepared my heart for something greater than I prayed for. Malayo pa ako sa dulo, ito pa lang yung umpisa. Ito na ulit yung umpisa. There is no harm and shame in starting over again. Mabigat man ang puso mo sa ngayon, pilitin mo lang intindihin kung ano ba ang pinaparealize ni Lord. Always remember that the pain you are feeling cannot compare to the joy that is coming. Ihinahanda ka lang niya. Maniwala ka lang at magtiwala.